This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable gloves, specifically these EcoServe compostable gloves. And we have the small size here of these powder-free gloves that you can see are clear. And they're also available in medium and large. And these are those nice kind of loose fit food prep gloves that are a nice alternative to the latex one for those jobs where you really don't need the tight fit and the extra dexterity. And they come with a nice little dispenser box that, as you can see, gives you a nice little reminder that you're being the solution and not the pollution. And all you have to do is remove that little central area and you've got a great little dispenser on hand for any time you need to grab a pair of gloves. These are made from a plant-based plastic that's derived from cornstarch and are fully compostable and biodegradable. And I've got the smalls, but they're also available in medium and large. And you can see they've got nice, generous little ample room there. So you've got a comfortable fit and they're easy to get on and off. And removing them, since they're powder-free, they come right off and don't leave any residue, which is fantastic for food prep. So these are a perfect disposable option for eco-minded establishments in that they're both clear and powder-free, meaning that you don't have that residue that you need to wash off your hands, which is fantastic. You can just change your gloves between jobs. They're great for any food service establishment, especially those looking to reduce their environmental impact.